today I want to go over something that is simple but also can be hard at the same time, about installing blades on a like a lawn tractor. Now this is a brand new blade, so it's a little bit easier to kind of figure it out. Make sure there's a couple things you want to look forward. One, you do not want it to go on backwards. As you can tell, this has a key in it, so you want to, first thing you want to make sure is you have the right style of blade. But if you look at that, that's wrong. How do we know it's wrong? A couple things to look for. One, I've never, oh, okay, I should rephrase that. I've only seen one time, but I questioned that one. Seen a blade at the cutting edge, the angled part is facing down. It's almost always facing up, so a nice smooth flat end is facing towards the grass. Another thing to look at is this flare. Some of them have little cuts in them, some of them are just flared, like this one is just flared. That always faces the deck. And to make it even easier, sometimes they make it completely foolproof. They put in there, if you can read that, they even stamped it in there, grass side. So that's the thing. So if you're finding that one side of your grass is really dull looking, really wide tipped, a lot of long blades are sticking out of it, you know, there's just a very generically poor cut. This could be a good reason why. Maybe the blades are backwards, because if you did put it on backwards, just something like this, your cutting edge is now this instead of the sharp edge.